Transposition by interval is very straightforward. All we need to do is choose an interval and a direction by which we want to transpose our music, say a perfect fourth up or a major third down, and then we simply move every single note in that piece of music up or down by that interval. Let's look at a few ways in which that could work out. And I want to start out with the simplest case. Here we have the melody of Over the Rainbow in the key of C. Suppose I want to move the melody of Over the Rainbow up a minor third. So let me make a staff here right below it, and this is where I'm going to put my transposed version of the melody. So all I need to do is move every single note of the melody up by a minor third. And if we're pretty comfortable with our chromatic intervals, which hopefully we are by this point, this is going to be a pretty easy task. So my first note in the melody is C. So if I move C up a minor third, I get an E flat. So E flat is the first note of my transposed melody. The next note of my original melody is C. And then C up a minor third is another E flat. And this is, I'll write this the octave above because it's the octave above in my original. Okay. My next note is B. And a minor third up from B is D. So I'm going to write D as my next note. And I'm keeping all the rhythmic values exactly the same. There's no reason to change the rhythmic values. I'm just changing the actual pitch. Okay, so my next note is G. Up a minor third from G is B flat. B flat. Then A is my next note, and up a minor third from A is C. My next note is B, and up a minor third from B is D. Then C, and up a minor third from C is E flat. So I'm going to write an E flat here. And I'm going to fill in all the rhythmic values. Again, these are all going to be exactly the same. All right, then my next note in the original melody is C. So up a minor third from C is going to be E flat. Then my next note is A, and up a minor third from A is C. So C will be the next note of my transposed melody. And then the next note of my original melody is G. So up a minor third from G is going to be B flat. And I'll stop there just for the moment and just take stock of what we've got. So we've taken, if we've done this successfully, we've taken this original melody and we've moved it up by a minor third by moving every single individual note also up by a minor third. So let's see if this works. Here's our original. Now here is our transposed version, up a minor third. And let's let our ears tell us if we've done the job correctly. And it sounds like we have. So there you have it. It's that simple to transpose a melody up or down by a particular interval. Now again, if you're not comfortable with chromatic intervals, this is going to be a little bit tricky. But if you are getting pretty comfortable with chromatic intervals, this is going to be really a pretty easy process. In the next video, let's take a look at what we would do with chords, a slightly more complicated scenario.